everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp booking confirmation after contact form 7. Let's suppose I'm running a business and I'm receiving all the new leads and the new form submission with the help of contact form 7. I want that whenever there is a new form submission, automatically a confirmation message should be sent with the help of this WhatsApp Cloud API. Doing this manually will consume a lot of my time, so I've completely automated this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Contact Form 7 and WhatsApp Cloud API. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I am going to receive a new lead or a new form submission, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to this lead. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send booking confirmation WhatsApp message on Contact Form 7 submission. For this, we are going to create automation between Contact Form 7 and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now before we sign into our Pabbly account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join the Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts and the support team. You can share tips, ask questions and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on new features, collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow, and here I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select the classic one and then I need to name this workflow. So here let's suppose the name of this workflow is send WhatsApp booking confirmation after contact form 7, and now I need to select my folder. These are the folders which have been created, and here I'm going to select it as WhatsApp automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow and as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send WhatsApp booking confirmation as soon as there is a contact form 7 submission, which means the booking happens. I'm going to send the WhatsApp message, which means whenever there will be contact form 7 submission, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger says when this happens. So when there is a new form submission in contact form 7 and then action says do this, then send the WhatsApp booking confirmation message. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking contact form 7 and then in my action application, I will be taking WhatsApp Cloud API. Here in my trigger application, let me quickly take contact form 7. And in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new form submission. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Contact Form 7 for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Contact Form 7 with Pabbly Connect. Reading this help desk, I'm going to build this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my WordPress account. So as Contact Form 7 is a plugin of WordPress, I have installed this from here, and as soon as I install this, it will start appearing over here. I'm going to click on this contact forms, and I have created a form by the name booking. So if I click on this edit, you will be able to find all the fields which I have added in this form. Name, email, phone and the message. So now I have to build the connection. To build the connection, I'm going to click on this webhooks. And then I'm going to remove this previously existing webhook URL. I'll go back to my workflow, copy this webhook URL which I'm provided in this workflow and paste this webhook URL over here. Now after adding this webhook URL, I simply need to scroll down and then click on this save. I'm going to click on this save. So here, contact form saved successfully. We have successfully added the webhook URL which we were provided in Pabbly Connect here in this contact form 7 and in the form by the name booking. So now I'm going to open this form and I'm going to do the form submission. If I go back towards my workflow over here, I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I'm going to open this form. As I've told you earlier, I'm going to open this booking form, and as I do this test submission, I should receive that form submission response here in this workflow, and this is going to show us the connection setup which we have created between contact form 7 and Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL that is completely working fine. I'm quickly going to open this form. So here, this is the form and I have all these fields. You can see these were the only fields which I have added in this booking form, and I am going to quickly fill all these details with some dummy details. So here I have written my name as new user, email address as new123@pabblytudes.com, phone number as this, and my messages, please confirm my booking. If you want, you can add more fields to your form. I have simply added these simple fields. I'm going to submit this form, and as soon as I submit this, I'm going to capture the response. So let's wait till the form is submitted. So here, thank you for your message. It has been sent. We have successfully submitted this form, and if I go back to my workflow, if I scroll down, you can see that we have received this response. And just 3 seconds ago, we have captured this response. Now the phone number is this, which we have added. The name was new user, message was this, email address was new123@pabblytudes.com. Here, as soon as I've done this form submission, I have captured that response here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created between Pabbly Connect and contact form 7 that is working fine. And now whenever there will be new form submission, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on towards the next step, as soon as there is a booking happening with the help of this form, I want to send the booking confirmation message with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. So then in my action application, I will be taking WhatsApp Cloud API. And in my action event, I'm going to select it as send template message and then click on connect. Now, if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, I have to enter the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. To enter this, I'm going to open my Meta for developers, and you can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. After this, I have logged in my application. On the top right corner, you can see this My Apps. I'm going to click on this, open this, and then I'm going to select my application, which I have created. As soon as this opens, under this app dashboard, I can see all these options. I'm going to go towards this WhatsApp and then click on this API setup. And then here, this page has opened in front of me. Here, I will be provided with the access token. I'm going to generate the access token by clicking on this button. I'm going to connect with my Facebook account, and here it is. The access token has been generated. I'm going to copy all these details, token, phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID quickly and build this connection. So here I've added all the details. I'm simply going to click on this save, and you will see WhatsApp Cloud API will be connected with Pabbly Connect, and here it is. So now I need to enter all these details. First one is that I have to enter this phone number. I have to enter the phone number in this particular format itself, which means I have to enter the plus sign and the country code. Now I'm going to enter all these details, but I'm not going to enter any of these details manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the response from contact form 7, and when I click on this field, I can see this contact form 7. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. So by clicking on that particular response, I have mapped that response. I'm going to select this template ID now. Now, to get this, I'm going to go back towards the same page from where I have entered my phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID. And if I scroll down, I can see this message. You can set a test message by clicking on send message or by copying this command, pasting it to terminal and pressing enter. If you want to create a new message, you can create your own template. I am going to click on this hyperlink given over here. And it has taken me towards this page from where I can create this message template. Now to create a new template, you simply need to click on this create template, and then this will appear in front of me. From here I can set the template. You can select according to your choice and preference. I'm going to go with this default, click on this next. And then I have to name this template. I have to select the language of this template. I have to enter the type of variable. I will be adding the custom variable in my messages. So I have selected this as number. And then the media sample, if you want to enter anything like image, video, document, or location, you can select this from this drop down. I am going to send the normal text message. So I've entered none. Then in the header, if you want to enter something, welcome or something like that, you can include that in the header. I'm going to skip this. I'm just going to enter the body of the message, and in the footer also, like thank you or something like that. That message will start appearing over here in this template preview. And then you can enter the body. So here I'm going to enter like hello, and then I've added a custom variable. As soon as I've added this custom variable, you can see I'm provided with a field to provide the value to this variable. So here I'm going to enter demo, which is the name. So this name is going to get replaced whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission. So this is the custom variable which I have added and which is going to keep changing. You can add as many as custom variable as you want. And then you can write the rest of the message, and then you simply need to click on this submit for review after adding the template name and the language. So here I have already created a template. I'm going to open that template for you. So here this is the template which I've created by the name booking message. I'm going to open this. And here this is the message which I have created. I have added a custom variable hello demo. Your request has been received and a team will contact you shortly to confirm the details. If you have any questions, feel free to reply to this message. See you soon. So I'm going to send this template, and the name of this template is booking message. So from this drop down, I'm going to select my template ID as booking message. I'm going to enter the language code next. So here the language code is EN, which is English, and then you can see the selected template name is booking message only. Template has header. No, we have not added any header. So I'm going to skip this. The header type, I'm going to toggle on the mapping button and then remove this field. I want to keep this field blank. And then the text value, media link, file name, location, latitude, longitude, location name, location address. These fields are not required one, and I just want to send the message. So for now, I'm going to skip this. If you want to enter or send these details also, you can enter following the help desk given below. Now the template has body. I'm going to select it as yes, and then I'm going to enter the variable, which is the name of the lead. Here, as I have mapped the phone number, I have mapped the name also. Template has button, no subtype. I'm going to skip the rest of the fields now. Mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now here, I have entered this phone number, but for now, I'm going to remove this phone number, and I'm going to enter my own phone number according to this format only, so that I can show you the WhatsApp message which I'm going to receive on the execution of this workflow. After adding all these required details, I'm simply going to click on save and send test request, and let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response. This response is the positive one. I'm quickly going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received any message there or not. And here we can see that we have received this message. You can see that this custom variable has been changed with the name which we have added or which we have mapped. Hello new user, your request has been received and our team will contact you shortly to confirm the details. If you have any question, feel free to reply to this message. See you soon, Team ABC. Now to summarize, we took Contact Form 7 as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new form submission or the new booking, and then we wanted to send a confirmation. So we took WhatsApp Cloud API. With the help of this, we created a template and we sent that template to the customers. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Contact Form 7 and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.